Once again, 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, drinking, driving, smoking, or eating. If I see anyone walking around their houses, I see anyone disappearing in and out the cameras, I'm going to remove you. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor. Judge, you unmute.
Sorry, thank you. This is the people versus, good morning, Mr. Pelway. This is the people versus Marlisha Roby, ticket number SP 1374107, count 1, driving register or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Marlisha Roby.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Roby. Ms. Roby did show me a registration with the date of February 1st, 2024. I move for dismissal of this matter and stipulate to probable cause.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice, and Ms. Roby has provided valid documentation. You are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me see if there's no date of birth for them.
All right, this is the people versus
Okay.
Larica
And
Raymore.
so just let us know.
Wait a minute, Judge, hold on. I didn't get it because there was too much noise coming from the courtroom.
Sorry. All right, this is the people versus Larica Rayborn, ticket number 227500021, count 1, drive and register or untitled motor vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Rayborn.
Say your name, ma'am.
Yes, I'm here.
Say your name, Ms. Rayborn.
Yes, Larica Rayborn. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Your Honor, regarding Ms. Rayborn, she prevented a registration dated 11/1/2023. I'm moving for dismissal, and I would, I'm not going to stipulate to probable cause. Today's a trial date, so.
Well, the officer was here. So.
Okay, so we'll stipulate to probable cause.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Rayborn. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Philip Dorsey, ticket number SP 1382844, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and then ticket number SP 1382843, count 1, expired plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Dorsey. I assume the officer's here.
He checked in, yes.
Okay, so regarding this matter, my client, insurance dated 5/7/2023 and a registration dated 2/17/2023. I move for dismissal of both matters.
You stipulate to probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Dorsey has provided valid documentation. You are all set, Mr. Dorsey. Good luck to you, sir.
No original trial. Said what he found was an ROA 2.
And I was gonna say, is the officer Glinton here? Investigator Glinton.
Mr. Dorsey, you finished. You can leave the meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm glad he got noticed, because BC had, oh, that's a new ticket, that's right.
All right, this is this Rothstein out? All right, Mr. Haddad, good morning. Were you ready in your matter?
Hi, Judge. I've been in the breakout room for like a hour and a half. It's just a bench trial, so I wasn't sure if the officers had checked in on Mr. Dyson's cases. One of them's officer.
Yes, the officer did check in.
Okay. So should I just keep waiting in the breakout room?
Okay, I have it here. DeMario guy.
My client was kicked off, so that's why I came out.
The prosecutor.
I'm sorry.
Now.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure. All right, this is the people versus Ronald Reed. Ticket number 183299962, count 1, who operates license in possession. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Reese.
I'm right here.
What's your name, sir?
Ronald Reese.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Reach is entering a plea. We're asking the warrant be set aside. He's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Court will set aside the warrant. Raise your right hand, Mr. Reed. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
All right, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial date for February 24th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you.
Versus Malika Robinson. Are there any other quick ones that I can do before I start doing like pleas or anything?
You want dismissals? So, Dwayne Roper is going to be a pretrial date.
Okay,
Um,
here, I'll do his really quickly. Give me one moment.
and then, Philip Dorsey's going to be a dismissal. Oh, we did that, I think. I'm sorry. And then on page 2, there's some easy ones too, so. There's a lot.
Remove your hoodie, Mr. Durant. Remove your hoodie. Thank you.
Versus Dwayne Roper, ticket number P11271104, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Dwayne Roper.
Say your name, Mr. Roper.
Dwayne Roper.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Roper is asking the warrant be set aside. He's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a pretrial date.
All right, so the court will set aside the warrant, set this for a pretrial date for February 23rd at 9 o'clock. 8:35, I'm sorry, 8:35.
Your Honor, Malika Robinson is also a bench trial, as is Barbara Rothstein.
Mr. Roper, you can leave. Just remember your date to come back.
I don't remember. What was it?
February 23rd at 8:35 a.m.
Versus Malika Robinson, ticket number SP 11047988. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Driver, count 2, fails to display valid operator's license on a person. Ticket number P13022174. Count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. I think that is it. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Malika Robinson, I'm going to ask that those warrants be set aside, and I want to indicate she has a matter up tomorrow, so I'm asking if we can combine with these and set for the same date.
Okay, there's, you know what, I'm sorry, there's also count 3 on the last ticket I called for failed to display valid operator's license on a person. You said she has a matter up tomorrow?
She indicates she has a ticket up tomorrow, Your Honor. So we could have it placed on the same date, it'd be appreciated.
Miss Malika Robinson, unmute your device, tap your screen and tap the microphone at the bottom.
Okay.
Ms. Rothstein, I'm gonna put you on mute until your name is called.
Oh, I see it, okay. It's set for a show cause. Okay. Tomorrow here. I'm just gonna print it out. I'm gonna call it today, so you don't have to show up tomorrow. We're also here on case number SP 1381265, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Oh, I've already stated, she wanted to set all these matters for a bench trial.
Yes, Your Honor, my client's entering a plea not guilty, waiving her right to a jury trial, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Robinson. I just. That's that portion. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Put your hand down. You understand you have right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial date for February 24th at 9 o'clock.
February 24th.
It's set. All right, you all set, Ms. Robinson.
All right, thank you so much, Sean. Have a great rest of your day.
You too.
Thanks.
This is the people. Give me one moment, please.
You did the rental, right?
This is the people versus Marcalis Durant, ticket number SP 1381344, count one. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Sirocki on behalf of Marcellus Durant.
Say your name.
Marcellus Durant.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Durant is going to enter a plea to fail display veiled license. He's waiving his rights.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Durant. I can't see you. Is it raised? I can't see. Oh, I see. Okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have, I'm sorry, you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yeah.
Are you saying yes?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to August 21st, 2022 at 1 a.m. on that date and time when you're at near Monroe in St. Antoine in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
You drive a 2020 Chevrolet vehicle.
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
All right, the court's also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display and will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by March 13th?
You said have it paid by tomorrow?
March 13th.
Oh, yes.
Any questions?
No, March 13th. That's all. Thank you.
You're all set, sir. Good luck. Mr.
Okay. Kendra Davis, get into the video, please.
All right, this is the people versus Martez Davis. Ticket number P1380942, count one, driver registered or untitled vehicle, count two, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please. I think that might be the fault, so strike that.
Your Honor, Pauline Sirocki on behalf of Martez Davis.
Your name, Mr. Davis.
Mr. Davis, can you say your name?
Martez Davis.
Your Honor, Mr. Davis did provide a registration with an expiration date of 10/12/2023. I'm moving for dismissal.
Stipulate to probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Davis has provided valid documentation. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, I have a question.
sir.
So I received the ticket. Do I still have to pay it or I don't?
Yes, it's in default. The careless driving, it's in default.
Okay. All right, have a good one.
You too, sir. Good luck.
All right.
This is the people versus Tawana Dick, ticket number P13808884, count one, driver's license expired. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Tawana Dick.
Say your name is Dick.
Juana Dick.
Your Honor, Ms. Dick did provide a license with an expiration date of 9/21/2026. I'd move for dismissal of this matter and stipulate to probable cause.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Dick has provided valid documentation. You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Maria Ruiz, ticket number SP1211856, count one, improper plates, count two, driving register or entitled vehicle, count three, no proof of insurance, no insurance misdemeanor rather. Ticket number P1211858, count one, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Maria Ruiz.
Say your name, ma'am.
Good morning. My name is Maria Ruiz.
Your Honor, my client provided a registration with the date of 5/1/2023 and a license with the date of 5/1/2023. I'm going to move for dismissal of the license, improper plate, no registration matter. And then regarding the no insurance, she would enter a plea to improper plate.
Okay, there's already an improper plate charge. You want to just plead that one? Or-
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, raise your right hand, Miss, please. Please swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
I do.
Put your hand down. I think the retained counsel. You had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki in private about your case and your rights.
I did.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Can you repeat that? I'm sorry.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Did you hear the judge, ma'am? So you know you're waiving your right to trial, correct?
Yes.
And knowing that, do you still want to go forward and plead guilty today?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna direct your attention to June 9th, 2021 at 4:35 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Clark and Porter in the city of Detroit?
June 9th.
June 9th, 2021 at 4:35 p.m. Were you at Clark and Porter in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Jeep vehicle?
Can you repeat the vehicle again?
A 2007 Jeep vehicle.
I know it was a Jeep Commander.
Okay, do you know, okay.
I'll stipulate, Your Honor. It sounds like she's having issues with her memory.
Were the plates improper on that vehicle?
Yes.
You're
2007. Yeah.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
The court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. You stipulate the proper cause.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Ms. Ruiz. Can you pay that fine by March 13th?
March 13. Yes.
Any questions?
You said $200?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I understand. Yes.
You're all set. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Dennis Reed, have we done that?
We haven't done it yet. The Speaker versus Crystal Davis, ticket number P1380987, count one, or count two rather, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Davis.
Crystal Davis.
Your Honor, Ms. Davis did present an insurance certificate with expiration dated 3/17/2023. I move for dismissal. Stipulate to probable cause.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Davis has shown valid documentation. You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the People versus Daryl Reynolds.
Your Honor,
Ticket
Pauline
number-
Soroki, sorry.
Ticket number SP1281968, count one, driver register or entitled vehicle. Ticket number P1282149, count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket number P1281966, count one, driver's license never acquired, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1361875, count one, driver's license never acquired, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P1215940, count one, driver license suspended, and count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Daryl Davis, I'm asking the warrants be set aside.
Right, court will set aside the warrant. Say your name, Mr. Davis.
Crystal, it's supposed to be Crystal it's Daryl Reynolds, not Daryl Davis.
I'm sorry, Mr. Reynolds, say your name. Is he here?
Let me see if he stayed in the breakout room.
No.
We lost a couple of people. I'm
Yeah,
seeing,
we lost him. I don't even see him.
Nope.
Give him another day.
I'm seeing,
People versus Michael Dennis, ticket number P1381433, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning.
Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Michael Dennis.
Say your
Good
name,
morning.
sir.
We need your name, sir.
Michael Dennis.
Your Honor, Mr. Dennis did provide an insurance certificate dated 2/28/2023. Move for dismissal of his matter.
You stipulate proper cause.
So stipulated.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Dennis has provided valid documentation. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Well,
Thank you.
You're welcome. This People versus Sarai Dawes, ticket number SP1380880, count one, driver license suspended. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Doss.
Sarah Doss.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation to my client to plead to a failed display veiled license. She's waiving her rights.
All right, raise your right hand. Doss, do you swear your other hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
Direct your attention to August 15, 2022 at 3:14 p.m. on that date and time when you're at or near Linwood and Oakland Boulevard in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Driving a 2010 Jeep vehicle.
Yes.
You driving while your license was suspended.
I didn't have my license at the time.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court's also satisfied the factual basis. We'll accept the admission and amend the count to fail to display. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Can you have it paid by March 13th?
No, that's actually around the time I go into labor. Can I have some more time, please?
April 10th.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions?
No.
You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, the offer for Ramuni is dismissal upon showing business license.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Michael Holmes on behalf of the defendant,
I
P46.
haven't called it yet, but I was just letting you know. But you want me to call it?
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. Yeah, I emailed all the licenses to Ms. Horn on Tuesday.
Okay. We'll call it. So you plan to come out, and then the offer for Mr. Haddad.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you do this one? You know, I
All right,
thought
well,
she did it.
I did. I'm sorry. How you doing?
Hey, David, just sit tight.
No problem.
You got the file here?
Yes, right here. I thought she, you gave it back to me. I thought she had it. Didn't offer. Okay. No, I'm sorry, Mr. Dodd, give me one moment. All right, let me call this really quickly. This is the people versus ticket number B500868. Count one, operating a restaurant without a license. Ticket number B500867. Count one, selling cigarettes without a license. And ticket number B500866. Count one, operating a gas station without a license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Michael Holmes, P46095, on behalf of the defendant, Ziad Ramouni, who is also present with me today.
State your name, sir.
Zaid Ramoni? I'm sorry, I'm a little higher up.
I can hear you. All right, the recommendation is dismissal upon showing business license. Mr. Holmes, you have, as an officer of the court, you have actually seen all the licenses and they are in fact valid.
Yes, Your Honor. The licenses, all of the licenses have been issued by the city of Detroit. They are valid. They are properly posted within the store, and I did provide copies of those to the city attorney on Tuesday via email.
Okay, so you're all set, sir. You stipulate the proper cause?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you stipulate the proper cause to have these matters dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. I do stipulate.
They're dismissed without prejudice. You're all set.
Thank you.
Judge, we have Mr. Daryl Reynolds back.
Okay, I'll call his. We contacted Ms. Horn. I don't know what. Okay, she's gonna zoom in to speak to you, Mr. Haddad. So.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yeah, you can, when she comes in, you guys can go into a breakout room. This is the people versus Daryl Reynolds. Ticket number P1281966. Count one, driver's license never required. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1282149. Count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket number P1215940. Count one, driver license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1361875. Count one, driver's license never required. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1281968. Count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, we have Mr. Reynolds.
Mr. Reynolds, state your name.
Daryl Reynolds.
Your Honor, people have made a recommendation to my client. At this time, he's going to avail himself of that. He's waiving his rights.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki and the attorney in private about your case and your rights.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
That's correct, Your Honor.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of November 19, 2021 at 9:21 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Joy Road and Mansfield in the city of Detroit?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Were Were you driving a 2007 Chevrolet vehicle?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And had you never acquired a driver's license?
That's correct, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
You're also satisfied with the factual basis will amend count one to fail to display. I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of November 19th, same date, same time, same location. Did you have an open alcohol in the motor vehicle?
That's correct, Your Honor. Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied with the factual basis will accept the admission and amend the count to open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. Will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $300 fine, sir. I'll waive the fine for the fail to display, but for the open alcohol, there'll be a $300 fine. Can you have that fine paid by March 13th?
Yes, Your Honor, I will.
Any questions, sir?
Is it after I pay the fine, am I able to go get my license?
You may have some reinstatement fees that you'll have to pay.
That's fine, Your Honor. As long as I can get it, I appreciate it.
Yeah, you should be able to, I think you should have everything cleared up, so you should be able to start the process.
And another question, Your Honor, do I have any warrants on my name still after this?
Say that one more time.
Do I have any warrants on my name present?
You cleared everything up. You cleared everything up.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, sir.
Have a blessed morning.
This is people versus Marquise Draper, ticket number P13800250, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. And count two, prohibited turn. Good morning, please say your name, Parker.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, we have Mr. Draper. Your Honor, Mr. Draper, can you say your name?
Yeah, Marquise Draper.
Your Honor, Mr. Draper did pay that prohibited left turn, and the people's offer was to dismiss the no insurance if he pled to blockading. So now he's paid the no turn, so I think he's got 3 points actually. So I'm just going to ask this matter be dismissed, and I believe that would get consistent with the offer.
Well, okay. That's fine. It's weird because both matters are on the docket and no officer has appeared. So I'm gonna.
Can you just go ahead and try to dismiss the
Yes,
dismiss them both and see what happens?
yes. So the court will grant your motion to dismiss. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, thanks so much.
This is the people versus Kendra Davis. Ticket number SP 1382112, count one, drove a license not valid, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number that's P 1321499, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Kendra Davis.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, PF Ms. Davis. At this time, she's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a pretrial date.
The recommendation is dismissal on all these matters.
We would stipulate the probable cause.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set. She has civil infraction.
Ms. Davis, your tickets were dismissed.
Okay, so no due date?
No new date. Just pay the civil infractions.
Yeah, you gotta make sure you pay those.
Okay, I'm all set.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
This is the people versus Michelle Denise Robinson McGee. Ticket number P 1351057, count one, driving register or entitled vehicle, count two, drove while license not valid or proper license. Ticket number P 1202720, count one, drove while license not valid or proper license. Ticket number P 1202701, count one, driving register or entitled vehicle, count two, improper place, count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 163033438. Count one, no operator's license in possession. Count two, uninsured motor vehicle, and count three, unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number P 484751. It is from 2015. Driver registered or entitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor, and count three, drove by license not valid or proper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, we have Ms. Robbins McGee. Ms.
Okay,
McGee, you got to unmute. You have to unmute, ma'am.
Michelle Robbins McGee.
Your Honor, I wasn't aware of all those offenses. She did show me a license dated 5/12/2026 and also registration dated 12/12/2023. I believe you have insurance too, don't you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I have my insurance right here.
Let's see the insurance. 'Cause if that's
Can
the
you hold
case,
it up to the
that's
camera?
Can you see it?
No,
Wait.
it's
Wait.
got to get some light, ma'am. Yeah, you need some light.
Can you see it?
Is it 10/26/23? The expiration date?
The expiration date is 6/28/23.
with that, you stipulate the probable cause.
I stipulate probable cause, Your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Robbins McGee has shown valid documentation. So you're all set, ma'am.
So do I still have any warrants?
You cleared everything up.
Pardon me, I can't hear.
No, you cleared everything up.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. So, Ms. Is Reed going to trial?
Is that for me?
Yeah, you're all set.
I don't know yet. I haven't gotten that far yet. So I mean, he's in the last group for, because I gotta. So we've done everybody that's out. Okay.
Well,